Good morning and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Atlanta on Thursday, July 7th, 2022. The highlights for this week: it is hot and is going to stay hot through the weekend with heat indices at or above our heat advisory criteria. A cold front Saturday and into Sunday will help ease temperatures despite highs remaining around average for this time of year. Afternoon thunderstorms will remain likely with some strong to severe storms possible until a cold front clears the area on Sunday. And temperatures will climb back into the 90s with triple-digit heat index values early next week. Take a look at current conditions. High pressure off the Atlantic coast keeps temperatures and relative humidities high today. Not a lot on radar right now, but we're expecting that to fill in this afternoon as more showers and thunderstorms develop, and we'll talk about that here in a few slides. This afternoon, thunderstorms are expected. A few storms could be severe along a surface boundary over northeast Georgia. For tomorrow, another day of thunderstorms in the afternoon is likely, ahead of approaching cold front. And Saturday into Sunday, a cold front will bring a temporary change in air mass, giving us a momentary reprieve from hot and humid weather. It could also bring a line of strong to severe storms until clearing the area Sunday morning and into Monday. That being said, the hot weather is expected to return early next week. So as you can see, that cold front clears the area on Sunday, and on Monday it stalls out of the Florida Panhandle. We should have drier conditions on Monday, and then Tuesday we see the high pressure build back into the area, and heat indices begin to return. Some models are showing the chance of another cold front on Wednesday that could bring some hot, dry air and push us out of that thunderstorm pattern, but we will have to keep an eye on that in the meantime. Take a look at the heat indices for today. Widespread heat indices above 105 has prompted a heat advisory for most of the area for the entire CWA, with exceptions for the northeast Georgia mountains. Those conditions are expected to continue into tomorrow, with the widespread heat indices above 105. And then a look at Saturday's heat indices, again more of the same. And then as that cold front pushes through on Sunday, we're expecting things to not be as hot, although temperatures will still be up in the upper 80s and lower 90s, with heat indices approaching 100 in a few areas. For today, we have some severe weather potential for the afternoon. Northeast Georgia is under a risk for severe weather, a slight risk, I should say. Variable conditions will allow afternoon thunderstorms to become more organized along a surface boundary across the entire southeast, but mainly over northeast Georgia. Timing is this afternoon, and the primary threat will be damaging winds. This threat will continue tomorrow with a marginal risk for severe weather. A few isolated thunderstorms that form in the afternoon could become strong to severe, although we're not looking at a widespread organized severe weather threat. And then a line of thunderstorms could be possible Saturday night as that cold front approaches, allowing for more organized showers and thunderstorms that could produce a few isolated strong to severe storms. Again, not a huge severe threat, but definitely possible here in the next few days. So all interested parties should remain alert to the forecast. Not a lot to talk about in the tropics. We do not have any tropical cyclones expected to form over the next 5 days. Moving right along into the drought summary, a few areas of D2 severe drought were introduced into Georgia over the last week. That expands from the minor D2 from June 28th into portions of northern and southwestern Georgia. A few of the D1 has been relieved given the afternoon thunderstorm pattern that we've seen over the last week. And for the next 5 days, most of Georgia expected to get around 1 to 2.5 inches of rain, with both afternoon storms and approaching fronts. So hopefully those drought conditions will be relieved. So in summary, temperatures and heat indices will remain near advisory levels going into the weekend. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms, including a few strong to severe storms, will be possible until a cold front clears the area on Sunday. Heat is expected to return next week after a brief break, and a wet pattern may help ease drought conditions, but we're still expected to remain below our climatological average for precipitation for this time of year. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out via phone, our briefing page, web, or social media, and we will do our best to answer your questions. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.